Halloj, good morning! It's Thursday! We have Ascension Day. Apparently, bank holiday, so I'm not working. It's now 11:20. I need to sneeze. And today my dad is coming with a couch that they have. It's a smaller size of this one. I talked to some of my friends after the last vlog, and they said like, hey, why can't you just do like a couch corner? So what I mean by that is that this couch is gonna be there. Don't know where the rest of it's going to be, so chill. One couch gonna be there, and the smaller one is gonna be here. I kind of measured it out, but I feel like it might be a bit too tight between the pillar and where the couch is ending, so it's gonna be quite tight right there. I'm gonna see. So I have my dad coming over because these two couches are from when I was little. Wow. The couches are from when I was little, so we'll see, they're free. And if I don't like it, I think I'm gonna keep the smaller one. Yeah. But anywho, plan is today, because I have the day off, I'm gonna see if I can like at least establish how I want things. And then I think on Saturday we will do all of the like small bits and bobs, like move plants if necessary, like all of the like small interior designing things. Feel like that could be a good plan. You know, I don't know. Okay, so this is how it looks. Can we just talk about that this two-seater couch is like a ginormous just chair? I don't know if I like it like this. It isn't as tight as I thought it would be. But I do really like the idea of looking outside. So I might see how it all looks if I place this couch in the corner right there, that couch right there. But I might not like it. I think I like it like this. Like I just changed my mind. The only problem is this. It's like a little sitting thing that you can like fold up to a bed. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna be a bit confused for a while. Just have to live with it, and yeah, I'll see what I will do with this. Let's go. Halloj! It's Friday, I got home from work, and I think this is the final layout. This is not supposed to be there, it's supposed to go like this. Yeah, it's the final layout. I got very frustrated yesterday because I couldn't get to any like decisions, and I feel like that way when this is facing, instead of facing like this, it's gonna face like this. So I can like lean my feet on it, if that makes sense. Yes. That decision, it feels good. I also, in, I don't know how long, it's supposed to be here in 20 minutes, I just sold my baby. Yes, I sold the baby. No, I just sold this one, actually. 40 euros. Like I didn't even, like it was for free, so yeah. Yes. So I just sold it, he will be here to pick it up. I am thinking if either I have to buy a new one or I'm gonna use that one. We'll see. I'm not really convinced because I still think that that is a bit big. So I'm gonna sell it, take the cable runner thing, a go. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And then I'm going to my parents on, not Monday, on Sunday because it's Mother's Day. And see if I can grab something from them. Just to have. And if that doesn't work, I am going to use that as a table. And put like a lot of trays on it. Because that could also work. I feel like that will probably be... I think that is going to be my solution if the cable runner thing, my table outside, doesn't work. So that's that. That's how we are feeling. And then I bought like, I think tomorrow, because I have nothing to do tomorrow except buy vitamins. I am going to just do some final touches and actually have everything done. It will probably be filmed on Sunday, but you know what I mean. Oh, what a process. And I also have to move a lot of stuff. Like all of this is going back to the storage. I have to go and grab stuff from the storage. I have to move like a lot of stuff that I already have to the storage just to like, so I have everything essential now and not later. And also I think I'm gonna clean up my storage, but we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I don't have a car to borrow or use because, yeah, the brakes on my mom's car doesn't work. Okay, that's an update. Let's go. Halloj. Halloj. Excuse me, what? It's Sunday and I'm actually done. Done, dilly done, dilly done, and done with everything. I'm so happy. It looks great, I must say. Like me just like looking at it feels good. It feels homey. Yeah, okay. So, do we all remember how it looked before? Yeah, I'm very proud of how far I got compared to the like original. I'm very like happy about it. But this new flooring has made everything, I don't know, like a lot more modern. Can I say that? It has a lot, like a very nice texture to it. Yeah, okay. Let me just show you. I'm gonna start in here. It's very dark. Yes, I do know that. Like, can we just, wow. Can we just, yeah, don't mind that, but you know. Like, wow, yes, we like this. I love that when I get home, I can see what a fluffy mess I am. Yeah. So, this is it. I changed the rug a little bit. Actually, wanted a smaller one, but you can't. So that's all fixed. That's normal. Then you come in here. Can we just like, wow. I need to lower this. And then, like, wow, look at this. This looks a lot better. I got the 2 couches over here. That's the new one. This is the old one. I turned this. It's actually a bed. It's a convertible bed. Turn this into like a table. Yes. I have more of like a this here is more like a study work thing. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I put some of my plants here. I have one there and the rest is here. Yes. So far that is great. I put that's not supposed to be there. Everybody will know where I live. Okay, and then I put this right there, like in here I have stashed some stuff, but it looks a lot like cleaner, if that makes sense. Yes. And then if we go in here, boppity boo, doo 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 doo. Also, I got linen bed sheets. Linen bed sheets. Like, if you haven't slept in them, buy it. It's worth the investment. It's so cozy. Anywho, I placed another shelf in here instead of the other one that I had. This one I can sure, yes. And in here, just, you know, what I did. And for the last part right here, also I love the curtains that I have. It works gracefully. And then we have in here. So I placed that on an angle. I like it. Moved some of my paintings. I moved from there and from there as well. Moved the watch. Was normally right there. Now I move it right there. And don't mind that. And my table. Like, can we just like, wow. Look how good that works with this. And everything just flowing through. Okay, so that's that. I'm very happy about it. It feels great. It feels a lot more, it feels airier, if that makes sense. It's not 3 different type of flooring. I finally have a cohesive thing. Of course I have some small bits and bobs to do, but wow. Now I'm gonna show you the attempt of my B-roll. Yes.
Mm-hmm.